Hey boys and girls, today for math you're going to need to get your January math journal out, and we're going to go to this next page called Catching Snowflakes. We have been working on adding, and so today is another addition problem, and it's a story problem because it tells us a story as we figure out the numbers that we need to use to fill out our equation and solve for the answer. Here we go. Today we get to make up our own numbers. I caught blank snowflakes in the morning and blank more after school. Altogether, I caught blank snowflakes. It's not giving us any numbers, so we have to come up with our own numbers. So let's look up here first. I caught blank snowflakes in the morning. I'm going to say we caught 4 snowflakes in the morning. So I'm going to write a 4 here. Then I could also put a 4 down here on the first line of my equation. So I caught 4 in the morning, and then 3 more after school. So then 3 is going to go here on our equation, our number sentence. Now, before I find out the answer, it's going to help me if I draw my pictures to go with it first. So 4 in the morning, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 more after school. So I'm going to get my brown. I'm going to do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Now all together I caught how many snowflakes? So now what I can do is I can count all of these to find out my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I caught 7 snowflakes. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now, you can use the same numbers I did, or you can make up your own numbers if you want to. You just have to make sure that whatever numbers you use, you add them up correctly to get the answer. You can also color your little guy right here if you want to, or your snowflake up here, however you want to do it. And if you want to make snowflakes just like mine, let me teach you how. The first thing you do is you just make an X. Then you're going to do a line down the middle of the X and in the side of the X. And that's how I made my snowflakes. Also today in your green folder, you have this game called Roll to 100. We played Roll to 50 the other day, but this time you're going to find out who gets to 100 first. So remember, you need 1 dice, and you're going to need 2 colors. And so whoever goes first rolls the dice. Whatever they roll, they're going to color that many spaces. Then it's the next person's turn, and you keep taking turns until you get all the way to 100. If you want to, you can even send me a little message on Seesaw to tell me who won when you play. You can play with yourself and take 2 different turns. You can play with somebody in your house, or you can play with a stuffed animal like I did with Chewbacca the other day. Have fun!